Hello everyone. Welcome to this session. So in this session, we are going to cover the software installations required for our training sessions. So for the IDE tool, we need the Visual Studio Code editor, and for the Node.js, we need to install. We will be installing the version 18, and we will be creating the account in the PenPart tool, which is for UI and UX designing purpose. So let's see how we can download the thing. So just go to the Node.js official website, and there are a lot of versions out there, latest versions are there. So we are just selecting the Node 18 version from that. So just click on this one and it will be downloaded. Then try to install the things in your local. Then type the Visual Studio Code on the browser window. Just download for Windows. If you are a Windows users, you can use the Windows, or you can select the things. And next thing is just type on the pen part. So this is completely open source, and uh, there is no restrictions for this one. It is completely open source. You can create a number of projects, and you can download the screenshots as well. So just sign up. You can sign up for free. Just give your credentials and create an account. This tool will be utilized for UI and UX designing purposes. So once you have installed the Node.js in your system, just open the command prompt and type node -v. Here you could see the node version that you have installed here. If this is not appearing on your command prompt, in that case, there is some issue you have faced during the installation uh, workflow. Then let's type npm and -v and click enter. You would see the npm versions also. The moment when you install the node 18, automatically the npm versions will be installed along with that. So this npm is nothing but for dependency installation purpose, we will be using npm. So I hope we have done the installation successfully. Thanks for the joining this session.